Hello and welcome guys, I'm Shan and you're watching TrueFormation, and in this video we are going to discuss about e-Rupi. On the 2nd of August 2021, NPCI in association with different departments and partnered banks launched the digital solution e-Rupi. So basically the e-Rupi is just a QR code or SMS that you receive, and with the QR code or SMS you will be able to purchase specific things. Now this e-Rupi is a lot similar to vouchers that you purchase on online stores, where you can use those specific vouchers on some specific online stores only. Now to better understand this, let's take an example. Let's say this is Tarun and he works from home in India for a foreign company XYZ. Now Tarun requests his company for a new laptop as his old laptop is quite slow and the new laptop that he wants is of a specific company and is priced 70,000 rupees. Now the company can either buy the product and parcel it to Tarun, which would be quite expensive, or the company can now transfer the money to Tarun. Now chances are that Tarun might not buy the same laptop. Instead, he might buy a cost-effective laptop and save the extra money left. But now after e-Rupi, the company XYZ has a third new alternative. And that is that the company XYZ can now request its bank to generate an e-Rupi of 70,000 rupees for the specific laptop that Tarun wants. Now the bank here will forward this request to NPCI, and NPCI here would generate a QR or SMS as requested by the company. The QR or SMS would be given to Tarun. Now Tarun here can use the e-Rupi to buy the very laptop he wants, and the e-Rupi cannot be used to buy any other things. This is how e-Rupi works. Now for a consumer like Tarun, to use e-Rupi, no intermediary applications or mobile wallets are required, and the consumer need not have to have a bank account. Now for the moment, the banks with which e-Rupis are enabled are listed here. So that's it guys for this video, and I hope you found this video to be informative. And if you did, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, and comment down what you guys think about the e-Rupi initiative. Till then, you're watching TrueFormation and hope to see you in the next one.